Welcome back to Math Mini Lessons. In the last lesson, we talked about dividing a fraction by a whole number. In this lesson, we're going to divide a whole number by a fraction. But guess what? The exact process isn't going to change. So we're still going to rewrite this division problem as multiplication. In this lesson, pay attention to how I express a word problem as a number. In numbers, how I rewrite that division problem as multiplication, and how I accurately calculate the product or quotient. So here, let's look at this first one. What is the value of the expression 56 divided by 1/17? Oh, that's ugly. Okay, so we have 56. I'm going to give myself some space. Divided by 1/17. I could just leave it this way, but look at how ugly this is. 56 divided by 1, that's easy. That's just 56. But 1 divided by 17, whew, nope. So we're going to rewrite this just like the last lesson. 56 over 1 times, and I'm going to flip this sucker around, 17 over 1. Okay, so we always flip the second one over to get our answer. Now I just need to multiply. So 56 times 17 is 952. Which actually is the number that we see here and here. All right, so here's our final answer, 952 over 1, which is the same as 952, which is our choice for D. All right, so notice, when we're dividing with fractions, the process doesn't change. We rewrite it as a multiplication sentence, and then we make sure that we find the reciprocal of the second number. Our divisor is, we find the reciprocal of our divisor. All right, hit pause and jot this down into your notes. Okay, how many 1/3 are in 4 cups? So I'm taking my cups, and think about it like if I have a cup of something and I'm repeatedly taking out 1/3, repeatedly taking out 1/3. So this is division because I'm repeatedly taking out, I'm repeatedly subtracting from the 4. So what is being divided? The 4 is being divided into thirds. So how can I solve this one? Again, we're going to start by rewriting it. Rewrite. So 4 times, and then we're multiplying by the reciprocal, 3 over 1. And that's going to give us 12 over 1, or 12. There's our answer. There are 12 1/3 in 4. Doesn't that kind of sound silly? There are 12 1/3 in 4. But here is our answer. Okay, so how does that make sense? Well, think about if you had 4. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I broke this up into thirds, I'd have 3 scoops from the first cup, 3 scoops from the second cup, 3 scoops from the third, and 3 from the fourth. So altogether, I have my 12 servings of 1/3. So maybe that's the word I'm missing here. 12 servings of 1/3 in 4. All right, so that's it for today's lesson. This was, it could be a real complicated term, and I'll give you a secret. Most adults don't remember why we rewrite division as multiplication. And it even happened to me as a kid. I knew it when I first learned it, and then I didn't think about it for a long time. I just knew to do it. And so when, as an adult, someone asked me when I was like 20, and I couldn't remember why it happened. I just knew what to do. So this is something you can stump a lot of adults on. But now we have visual models that show why we have to do it this way, like why we can find that part is using our area models. But that's it for today. I hope this is helpful. You're going to see a bunch of word problems if you're using Math Mini Lessons, where you'll get to practice dividing a whole number being divided by a fraction. I hope this is helpful. Please make sure you're rewriting your number sentences and showing where you work, and I will see you next time. Math Marvels, be well. Bye.